Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you see who unfollowed you on Instagram, then you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. Now first, as usual, we need to get something out of the way for everything to work properly. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version to face no problems in this app and in the process. After that, go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and let's start by opening your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen right here. Now if you notice from here that the number of your followers is decreasing, that means some of them have been removed from there and maybe they have unfollowed you. So to determine, go ahead and tap on that followers list, and you find all of your followers here. If you suspect that someone has unfollowed you, you can scroll down and try to find them. If you cannot find them, you can simply search for their username here. If you still cannot find them, that means they have probably unfollowed you on Instagram. But don't get yourself confused, because even if they deactivate their account or delete it, or even if they have blocked you on Instagram, they will be removed from that list as well. So if you want to be able to tell if they have removed you, maybe deactivated their account, or just deleted it, or even they blocked you, what you can do is to tap on the search icon in the bottom right here and then search for the username from your phone if you cannot find them, and then you go ahead and borrow a friend's phone and search for the username from your friend's phone. If you cannot find them in both phones, that means they have deactivated or deleted their account. But if you can find them only from your friend's phone, they probably means they have blocked you on Instagram. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.